Hi, welcome to my channel. So I recently went to Walmart and I bought some stuff from the Wet n Wild Crystal Caverns collection. And in that there are 3 eyeshadow trios. Today I used the green one for this tutorial. And it also comes with 3 matching lip glosses. They also have like face oils and primers and stuff that go with it in really cute packaging. But I have really oily skin, so it really wouldn't have made sense to like get all those oils and stuff. But it's there if you like that kind of stuff. It's all really affordable and cute and aesthetic. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Quick disclaimer, besides not being sponsored, it's just I bought everything with my own money. But I don't really go into detail for like my contour, bronzer, and stuff like that because I already have a video dedicated to like base stuff. So if you're into that, then click the link. I'll include it up here. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to be priming with this Smoothing Face Primer by LA Colors. It's in the color Clear, and it's a pore minimizing primer. I got it for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I'll also be going over it with this matte blotting mist by e.l.f. Got this at Walmart. I think it was like $6 or $7. It's really, really good. It really keeps your shit on there. So I will just be doing that. Next is foundation. I know it looks a little bit like wild and ghostly, but it'll be fine, I promise. And I'll be going in with this Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation in the shade Cocoa Light, and then Wet n Wild's Autofocus foundation Desert Beige. So next we are going to be concealing, and I'm actually going to be using a foundation, and this is the Fit Me Matte, well no actually, Fit Me Dewy and Smooth by Maybelline in the shade 220 aka Natural Beige, and I'm gonna put that on the high points of my face. Okay, so next step is setting powder, and I used 3, and I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Matte, actually matte this time, and 330 Toffee, and then Wet n Wild's Autofocus Loose Banana Powder. I'll be going with good old Airspun. watching. Please hit subscribe and like and share. I'm just kidding. I guess this is technically like my baking process, but I don't really bake per se. I just like let it sit for like a couple seconds or like a minute, and then I sweep it off. And actually, I kind of lied to y'all. I actually use 4 powders. So I'm gonna take this LA Colors pressed powder in the shade Nude, and I'll be using this to sweep away the banana powder. After I do all of that powder, so much fucking powder, I do my brows, and I'm going to be Wet n Wild eyeliner in Simma Brown now, and I will just be drawing out the shape of that by taking this Maybelline Single Shadow in Made for Mocha to like blend everything out and set it with more powder. So now for the fun part, the eyes. I'm gonna prime actually with the same face primer that I primed earlier because I don't have an eyeshadow primer, but it's white, it's a great base. So now that we are a little bit closer to my face, I'm filming on my phone, so I can't really zoom, but I hope you can see. Okay, so first I'm going to take this, the like second to darkest, this one right here, and I'm just going to take it on a fluffy brush, like a fluffy crease brush. Okay, it's not bad. It is shimmery, so yeah, like every shade in this thing is shimmery. So if you're looking for like any like matte moments or anything, it's not gonna happen. The darkest color, which is really shimmery and glittery, and this little small packer brush, and put it all over my lid, and I'm gonna gently sweep it into the crease color. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just going kind of sloppily over my lid, just for like general placement. Sweep it into the crease like that. It's like kind of what I did with the packer brush before. And just like gently go over where the colors meet. And just like softly pat it like that. And since I like my shadows to be smoked out, I'm gonna take this brush, which I believe is called a pencil brush. I don't know, it's kind of like a crease brush, but it's like tighter, kind of. Yeah, I don't think it's called a pencil brush. I have no idea what it's called. But I'm gonna actually just take that glitter shade and pack it on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna go right in and apply it like that. And just gently sweep it. Really soft, just nice and easy is all it really takes. And I'm pressing, but I'm not like dragging it. I'm just like tapping it and slowly gliding it back and forth. Take that crease brush and just marry the edges of the two colors together. And so next I'm gonna take this black eyeliner pencil and put it on my waterline. I feel like most people know how to do this already. So next, I'm gonna take the lightest shade right here. I'm gonna take on this little liner brush thing and put it on the inner corner. I'm just gonna oh wow, that's actually really pigmented. So I'm gonna take some more of that. I'm just gonna like pat it on first, and I'm gonna like sweep it like up here and down here, just back and forth, like that. And now they're both done. Now it's time for lashes. I use the e.l.f. Voluminizing Mascara, this LA Color black liquid liner, and then this black strip lash adhesive by Kiss. And I will be using these lashes right here. I don't know how to say the name of them, but I got them on Amazon, really cheap, really quick shipping. I will leave the name of them in the description box, so if you like them, you can look them up and get them. Alright, so now we are almost done, I promise. We're gonna do blush and highlight, and then we're gonna do lips. So for blush, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in Berry Shimmer. And of course for the highlight, I will be using Infinity Stones highlight from this collection. It's onto lips. I wanna just do like a quick lip swatch of the gloss alone so you can see how it would look if you wore it on its own. Okay, so I know I just said that like I'm gonna do the lip how I would wear it out, but honestly, I would wear this lip gloss out on its own. It doesn't even look out of place. Like it just looks like a really, like it doesn't look like a weird green. It looks kind of like normal from like afar, like from like me to the camera, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but like up close you can really see the green reflex and it's really pretty still. But I am still going to do the lip that I was going to do anyway because I want to see how it would look on top of a lipstick. So we're gonna do that. All done. Alright, so you have made it to the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Hope you liked the look. My thoughts on the collection so far with the colors that I just used. Honestly, I mean, it's pretty okay. Inexpensive. It's just like a drugstore brand, you know, so it's like if you see it and you want to try it, and I really like wasting a lot of money. I don't really think it's like a waste of money. I mean, I really love the color I use in the inner corner. This like lighter shade here. This other color, middle tone, like this one. I think it looks kind of muddy almost on me, and it was kind of hard to blend to the crease, and since it's shimmery, it just, I don't know, it doesn't really give me like what I'm looking for in terms of like a crease shade or transition shade, you know, whatever, what have you. I really do love the deepest shade, this like really glittery one on my lid. I think that one's super, super pretty. But yeah, like, I think it's worth it. I mean, for a drugstore little trio, I would say yeah, because I mean, you can use this with other palettes that you already have easily. Like if you have like a neutral palette, which I'm sure you do, like everyone has one. You would already have like some matches and shades. You can just like throw a couple of these on your lid, on top, on the bottom, whatever, and just, you know, play with it. You know, it's a nice little accessory. But I don't know if I would recommend it just for like your like one-stop shop for a look like I tried to do. Like, I think it's cute, but like it doesn't offer enough in my opinion. But I do think that the colors are great, so there's that. As for the gloss, there's like no fragrance, there's like no flavor or anything. I'm like moving my lips around, like it's really shimmery and glittery, but it's not like chunky. Like I don't feel gritty on my lips. Like I don't feel grit on my lips at all. So they're really, really comfortable so far. But like I only tried the green one. We'll see in the other videos I will upload. I will be reviewing the other two shades. So we'll see if that is a consistency, you know, it's wearability. Yeah. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, making it to the end of the video. I will have links on all sides to my channel to subscribe if you want to. And actually, please subscribe to my collab channel with my drag daughter, Cherry Poppins, where we do all kinds of like comedy stuff and make tutorials and challenges and all of that, and it's a lot of fun, and we put so much work into it, and we're really excited about it. So please be sure to check that out, and check out some other videos of mine while you're here. Why not? It's free. But anyways, until next time, bye.